guys, welcome to Be Scientist. In today's video, we are going to make a rocket launcher using a normal bottle and water pipe. So let's get started. So guys, first we'll remove the cap of the bottle. So basically this cap is of no use. Now let's attach the pipe into the bottle's mouth, just like this. And now let's do the missile launch. So guys, I have chosen an open area so that it does not hit anyone, and I may also get wet. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, let's try it, and ignition in 3, 2, 1 now. Whoa! Do it one more time. And yes, ignition in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! In this experiment, we noticed that the increase of pressure of water in the water bottle led to the sudden release of the bottle from the water pipe, hence causing the missile effect. So guys, if you like the experiment, please hit that like button, and for new experiments like this, click on the subscribe button, because until April 25, our aim is to complete 100 subscribers. So can we do it? Thanks for watching.